Welcome to this video by EI Design. We have been delivering transformational learning experiences for over 18 years. While the usage of gamification for serious learning has been there for nearly a decade, there is often a question mark on its impact and ROI. Let's take a look at this video by EI Design as we share 6 examples that illustrate the value and the impact of gamification for learning. These examples will help you visualize how gamification can be used across different corporate trainings. Each of the featured examples highlights a gamification concept that captures and retains learners' attention, challenges them, engages them, ensures they complete the journey, plus teaches them. See how gamification for learning enables you to use its various levels of learning, that is, different cognition levels. But first, let's view its versatility and identify what you can use it for. Learning acquisition, practice for performance improvement, upskilling, and application of the learning successfully at work. Now let's take a look at the 6 gamification examples from our vast repository, handpicked to help you identify how you can use gamification for learning. The first example is an induction program for a globally renowned entertainment company. The purpose of the course was to orient employees with the company's history, policies and benefits, procedures to be followed, and career growth opportunities through a fully gamified approach. A guided visual tour, related terms, rich and customized visuals, and details created what the organization called a magical learning experience. The second example is an experiential induction program for a global retail giant. A gamified onboarding training opportunity was created for a customer care team to help them acclimatize with the culture of the organization. The entire course in a 360-degree platform with virtual reality VR features, personalization through avatars, leaderboards, and analytics to understand the efficacy of user interactions are the highlights. The third example is on professional skills enhancement, account management fundamentals for project managers and account managers. This course is a great example of a gamification approach with multiple levels that reflect the proficiency gain as the learners move from level 1 to level 4. The learning journey is driven by scenarios or challenges, matching real-life situations. Unlike the classic approach of having to go through theory and then practice, here the learners can directly jump into taking a challenge. This helps them ascertain if they truly know the concept. They can seek support through an expert if they can't clear the challenge. We also added curated content that offers new content to the learners every subsequent time they come back. This is a great way to have them refresh their learning. The fourth example is on rewards and recognition. This uses an avatar-based approach for personalization along with gamification. The learners go through a series of locations in a fictitious city and have gamified activities that map to the different aspects of the organization's compensation program. The activities simulate and reinforce the concepts the individuals must understand and remember to win. The scores lead them to gaining the reward. The fifth example is on partial gamification, featuring a gamified activity. This example illustrates how you can add punch to enhance a traditional e-learning course by implementing partial gamification techniques. The usage of gamified activities can uplift the engagement quotient of the standard e-learning course manifold. We used this approach in a course on time management, and the activity was for identifying time wasters. It involved rapid thinking to select a time waster activity, mapped to floating clocks that would appear from different directions. If you were not paying attention, you would miss and get a negative score. Unlike a standard approach, a drag-and-drop interaction, this approach is fun and pushes learners to focus, creating a more engaging and rewarding learning experience. Finally, the sixth example is on partial gamification, featuring a gamified assessment designed as a micro-challenge. This example features a very versatile gamification approach. We created a bank of gamified assessments, each one in a unique format as a micro-challenge. Designed in a micro-learning format that can be consumed on the go, it features a mobile-first design. The questions can be used to support any formal training for practice, proficiency gain, and host the Training Connect, and the feedback would help them refresh the primary training. As you have noted in the featured examples, gamification is a great strategy to integrate in your corporate trainings. We hope this video gave you the cues to enhance the impact of your corporate training strategy by using gamification. Thanks for watching this video. Looking at adopting new ways to enhance your learning strategy? EI Design can help you with that and more.